Hello, I'm Leo Page at MarineMax at BHMR in beautiful Pensacola, Florida, and today I'm going to show you aboard our all-new Sea Ray 35 Coupe. As you'll see, this vessel features rear gourmet kitchen, oversized swim platform, easy boarding through the companionway, hardtop with sunroof, all LED lighting, rear sheer shade, carpeting through the entire cockpit and helm area, large wraparound seating, television, air conditioning for the helm area. The helm features a Simrad with chart plotter, fish finder, and vessel data, DTS, bow thruster, Rockford Fosgate audio system with Bluetooth, tons of visibility, port side lounger, bow loungers, windlass. Coming down into the cabin, you'll see hardwood flooring, queen size berth forward, sofa, sleeper sofa, galley with refrigerator, microwave, stovetop, tons of storage, large head area, nicely finished out with teak, and a separate stand-up shower. To the stern, you feature a private stateroom with large wardrobe, separate entertainment area, and a queen-size berth. Come by MarineMax at BHMR in Pensacola, Florida, and ask for Leo Page today to see the Gulf Coast's largest selection of new and pre-owned boats.